replicable or scalable. And so we need to know the success stories because we want to learn lessons from one case to another. And in order to learn lessons, we need a more of a research, monitoring, and evaluation element in those success stories. But best practices, by all means, I hope that in the next GFAR there will be many more examples of this. And the last one, not the least important, but the most important, is a political commitment. Unless there is political commitment in developing countries to change, a lot of what happens will just remain like external initiatives, and there could be a lot of good conferences of GFAR here, but not much will change. And I think the countries that have made advances have shown us that if there is political commitment, if there is capacity, if there are investments, then things can change. And so I hope that we use all this information to build bigger and bigger, larger political capacity at all levels, from developing countries to international donors, which also means the international donors are going to have to change their behavior as well as the nationals. So I hope that GFAR plays a role in the future in changing all this. This is a very personal kind of assessment on behalf of the global team. We feel that this GFAR 1 was very successful. The reason why it was very successful is that lots of new ideas have come up in how we could move forward. The proof will obviously, on progress, will depend on what we do between now and the next GFAR. And there's lots of work to be done if we are going to report progress. And it needs funding. I cannot underemphasize the importance of funding if we are going to move forward. And that also means that the donor community, the emerging economies that have offered so generously to participate and contribute to this effort, really come through in making